Atomic Habits by James Clear. This book has the power to completely change your life, not through massive leaps, but through small, consistent steps that compound over time. Every choice you make, what you eat, how you spend your time, how you think, is a vote for the person you are becoming. Your habits shape your identity, and your identity shapes your destiny. Imagine this. If you improve by just 1% every single day, by the end of the year, you'll be 37 times better than you are today. That's the power of habits. They can either build you into the best version of yourself, or slowly destroy your potential if you don't pay attention. James Clear's Atomic Habits is not about motivation or willpower. It's about systems. If you build the right system, success becomes automatic. Let's explore the most powerful lessons from this life-changing book. Lesson 1. The power of tiny changes. Small habits may not seem important today, but over time, they create massive results. Success is not the result of one big decision, but thousands of small ones. Just as money compounds with interest, habits compound with time. Takeaway: don't chase big overnight changes. Focus on getting 1% better every day. Lesson 2. Focus on systems, not goals. Goals are about the results you want, but systems are about the process that gets you there. For example, losing weight is a goal, but eating healthy daily is a system. Systems create consistency, while goals only give direction. Takeaway: fall in love with the process, not just the outcome. Lesson 3. Identity-based habits. The most powerful way to change your habits is to change your identity. Instead of saying, "I want to quit smoking," say, "I'm not a smoker." Habits are a reflection of who you believe you are. Each small win is a vote for your new identity. Takeaway: don't just focus on what you want to achieve. Focus on who you want to become. Lesson 4. The 4 laws of behavior change. James Clear explains 4 laws to make habits stick. 1. Make it obvious. Design your environment so good habits are visible and easy. 2. Make it attractive. Pair habits with something enjoyable. 3. Make it easy. Remove friction. Start small and simple. 4. Make it satisfying. Reward yourself so your brain wants to repeat the habit. Takeaway: don't rely on discipline. Design your environment so good habits happen naturally. Lesson 5. Environment shapes behavior. We often think motivation drives our actions, but in reality, our environment has a much bigger impact. If junk food is on the counter, you'll eat it. If books are placed near your bed, you'll read more. Takeaway: don't just try to resist temptation. Remove it. Surround yourself with triggers that support the person you want to become. Lesson 6. The 2-minute rule. Every new habit should take less than 2 minutes to start. Want to read more? Just read 1 page. Want to exercise? Put on your workout clothes. Starting small builds momentum and makes the habit stick. Takeaway: make it so easy you can't say no. Lesson 7. Track your habits. What gets measured gets improved. Tracking habits gives you visual proof of your progress. Even a simple checkmark on a calendar can motivate you to keep going. Takeaway: use habit trackers, journals, or apps to stay consistent. Lesson 8. Break bad habits. To break bad habits, invert the 4 laws. Make it invisible. Remove cues. Make it unattractive. Reframe your mindset. Make it difficult. Add friction. Make it unsatisfying. Add accountability. Takeaway: don't fight bad habits with willpower. Make them harder to do. Lesson 9. Success is about consistency, not intensity. One workout won't make you fit, just like one burger won't ruin your health. What matters is consistency over time. Habits create a lifestyle, and your lifestyle creates your results. Takeaway: consistency beats intensity. Small daily actions compound into greatness. Conclusion: Atomic Habits teaches us that massive change doesn't come from huge actions. It comes from tiny improvements stacked over time. If you want a better life, stop waiting for motivation and start building systems. Create habits that align with the person you want to become. Remember, every action is a vote for your future self. Whatever your goals, health, wealth, relationships, or personal growth, the secret lies in building small, consistent, atomic habits. If this summary of Atomic Habits inspired you to take action, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's spread the power of small daily changes and help more people unlock their best selves. Remember, your future is built one habit at a time. Start today.